Well, today it's wet. Look at that. It is not looking pretty at all. Quite annoying, actually. Uh, we were meant to go for a walk today, but I don't think that's happening. Sounds like it's starting to get heavier. Had to take the rubbish down to the dump. One thing that does suck about living out in this part of town is there's no rubbish collection. So it means I have to put all the rubbish in my car and take it down to the dump itself. It's lovely. Now I said in my last video with the water tower that actually I think I may have cut it out, but anyway, I did say that I was gonna try and get a hold of the council, see if they've got any abandoned buildings, even some historical ones, to explore, film it a bit, and if I'm lucky, may even get a 3am challenge out of it, or some kind of challenge. I don't know, but I'm still waiting to hear back from them. Hopefully they'll have something there I can have a look at and show you guys. It'll be cool. So yeah. Sorry, I've got a bit of hay fever going on. Bloody hate it. But yeah, it's just a small video today anyway. Just a small how do you do. I'm an idiot, I know. But it's alright. Because if I wasn't an idiot, I wouldn't be me. Alright. I've got, you'll see at the beginning of this, my intro video is new. I've gone and made up a random one. I was kind of sick of the just the plain visual, so I've made up a little intro video, so hopefully you like it. We tried so many different poses, it was actually quite funny. I wish I kept the pictures, or made it into a blooper or something stupid like that. But yeah, we've had a very we call it, a very eventful last few days. See, I'm wearing my Linkin Park t-shirt. Rest in peace, Chester. Trying to get it there. Yeah. Yeah, it's been an eventful couple of days. We've been moving the house around. We got kind of sick of what it looked like. Besides, I was getting sick of the kids playing with my computer. Both kids, and the eldest knows better not to touch it, but he's trying to push the boundaries at the moment. For those who don't know, Brittany and I used to date back at college. We broke up and whatnot, but we found each other again about 13 years later, which is, that's really cool. How often does that kind of happen, really? I like to say that our prayers and thoughts are with Puerto Rico at the moment, after the another hurricane that went through, Maria or something like that. Puerto Rico got actually a direct hit, and it's basically flatland now. All the houses are destroyed. Only reason I get these kind of updates is a YouTuber. I've mentioned him plenty of times in my videos. He's got two channels. One's called The Oh My Gosh, and the other one's called Oh My Gosh TV. He's got family who live in Puerto Rico. From what he says, that they're okay. Uh, they just need food and water, so hopefully aid gets to them as soon as possible. And yeah. Now I was saying earlier that it was crap weather, but this turned out to be worse than it was before. It was only drizzling earlier. Now it's a full on. Now you can see it, and you can hear it. Huh. We're gonna have to get that fixed. That's some terrible flooding. I grabbed my super heavy rain jacket. You're never gonna miss me. It's really bright. Got a bit of check the mail just in case there's something in there and might get wet. Don't want it too wet. I think of it. Oof. This weather's terrible. Well, let's stop overflowing terribly, but I'm gonna have to go get the owner to get that fixed. It's got some gathering stuff in it, so it's meant to stop all the leaves and stuff blocking it up, but I don't think it's worked very well. I read online that where we live in the Waikato / Bay of Plenty, right near the border of the two regions, that it has been the wettest year so far, which would not surprise me, to be honest. We've had a lot of rain. We could be in with a very wet night, by the looks of it. I see that annoys me. It's my seat. Yeah. No, it's because of this. Yeah, this is not done properly. It really frustrates me. Check that over there, it's dry. Keep it inside where it's warmer and dry. I dropped yours. Whoops. Well, you can't see it, but you can fucking hear it. Holy shit. Hold on. I went to go check and put my flashlight on, but battery's too dead. I reckon there's a bit of hail in there somewhere.
I don't know, but it's my flashlight.
Yeah.
No hail.
No, it's just very heavy rain. That's a torrential downpour and a half.
You gonna go turn off the light in the garage?
Ah, shit. Fine.
Hold on. The umbrella's out there.
Use the jacket here. I need shoes.
Oh, I'll just chuck my jingles and I'll go do it.
No, that's right, I've got it. Alright. Ugh. Sleep move. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go. You know, I'll probably film a little bit more later on, depending on if the weather gets worse or not. If it starts banging and crashing, I'll be definitely recording that. We have an intruder. How you doing? Hi. Hello. He's only just started doing that. That's pretty cool. Waving hello and goodbye. Oh. Have a good one. We'll catch you probably a little bit later, actually. But have fun. Peace.